Matt, this is a carbon fiber wheel and this is a magnesium wheel. You don't find those every day. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, Lee, thanks for being here. Lightweight materials are really on the forefront of what we do at Ford Motor Company. We have to take weight out of our vehicles to improve our fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. And every component is being looked at. It could be a body structure, it could be a tire, it could be a wheel. These two wheels are somewhat unique. And kind of a history of wheels. Traditionally, a lot of wheels are stamped steel. And to take out weight, a majority of our wheels have transitioned from stamped steel to permanent mold cast wheels in all aluminum. What you're looking at here is really pushing the envelope. On my left is a magnesium wheel. This happens to be a forged magnesium wheel. And on my right is a carbon fiber wheel. What's unique about the mag wheel is, unlike a permanent die-formed aluminum wheel, these are forged. These wheels have some unique properties. Magnesium is lighter weight than aluminum, but you have to get to the right mechanical properties. So when you forge it, what you get is the right microstructure. And with the microstructure comes strength, ductility, and very important is elongation for road impact. Then, of course, to protect it for corrosion, you go through an elaborate process, and this particular wheel has what's called a micro-arc oxidized pre-coating underneath the actual painted wheel. So it looks good, but most important is it has the corrosion resistance that we're looking for. This is atypical. We don't do this on aluminum, and it's unique to magnesium. And right now we're testing it, and we are testing it under extreme conditions. In Michigan and many of the Midwestern states, when the temperature gets to minus 20, minus 40, pothole impact on wheels is devastating. So we're testing that right now to make sure it meets our durability requirements. And historically, aluminum has done much, much better in corrosion than magnesium, but it's that micro arc with the paint that really is getting us close to finding the application for a mag wheel. Now, the carbon fiber wheel is really unique. We're doing this with a supplier, and it is a ultra lightweight wheel. It is currently under development to see if it'll actually meet the rigors of Ford durability requirements. Same thing, like magnesium, it's going to go through an impact test. It's going to go through durability testing. But the fact is, a carbon fiber wheel, as you can see, is extremely lightweight. If that was a steel wheel or even an aluminum wheel, I might use two hands to pick it up.
Right.
But it's a different process. Instead of die casting or forging or stamping an aluminum wheel, you're actually doing a tape wound process. You prefabricate the actual spokes. The spokes then go into a machine that fixtures it, and then you tape wind the carbon fiber with a resin, and then you go through a cure process, and the resulting product is a carbon fiber wheel. We're very interested in testing both of these technologies, seeing if it's going to be our next generation wheels. And until we get the final test report and the I's are dotted and T's are crossed, it's under development. But we're very excited about this type of lightweighting for our products.
Understanding that these are development projects right now, but what do you suppose, where do you suppose these might be seen first? What class of vehicle, if the things go right?
You know, like any development, you look for a lower volume vehicle first. Our Mustang program, it could be a special vehicle team, it could be like a Raptor, it could be a Mustang Cobra type vehicle. Those are really good test beds for several reasons. The consumer that buys those cars, they're really looking for the advanced technology, whether it's a bell or a whistle or some lightweighting technology. Plus, they also give us a lot of really good feedback. If there's a problem, they're going to be the first to call us. But the way we design our products, we never get phone calls, and that's the way it should be. So we would look to test it on a specialty vehicle first, and if we're successful, then you make a natural migration. Maybe you go to a low volume, 100,000 unit production a year, then maybe you scale it to 250,000 a year. And of course, the ultimate is, 500,000 vehicles a year. What's unique about wheels is there's 4 of them. So, you take 250,000 unit production of a particular vehicle, maybe the Ford Fusion behind us, and that's 1 million wheels. So it's a challenge for the manufacturing, the machine tool designer, to scale and get the infrastructure ready, whether it's forging or permanent mold casting or even winding a carbon fiber product.